Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19, Excel chapter 9, prepare delta, integration part B. It's the total 3 part of chapter 9. I am going to do second part. That's our project description, you can read it carefully. The Red Bluff Golf Course and Pro Shop manager Alita Harrett has asked you to create a report that analyzes cost and revenues from tournaments hosted over the past year. In the past, her staff had to enter data manually from different sources to create his report because no one at the resort knew how to import the data. As a result, they rarely completed the report. That's our project description. So we will move to our now first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open the file name Excel chapter 9. Prepare delta integration 2 of 3. I have already opened this file. That's our my name Lewis. Excel chapter 9. Prepare data delta integration 2 of 3. We will move to our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in any exam or a simulation, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. Now we will move to our second step. A list of customer information on tournament golf club giveaway has been provided in the chapter Delta Integration 2 of 3 workbook. The data needs to be cleaned before it can be used for the purpose such as analysis or merging to a Word documents. On the registration data worksheet, so we will move to our registration data worksheet. That's our registration data worksheet. What he is saying, in the column B, use the flash fill to separate first name from the column A. So that's our column B. So we need to separate with the this one by flash fill. So we will type here Carter. That's our first name. Then Jane. Jane. So now Excel will recognize the that we are doing to what we are doing. Now we will go to this one and we will press flash fill. So we have got our first name in our column B. That's our first step. Our third step is the dates in column C are not stored in the date format that Excel can use. In column D, use the flash fill to convert the data in the column C into a month, day, year, date format. Like that, we will type in the this one as a column B1. That's our date. And the second one, which date? 3/18/2020. We will type in the cell D2 and press enter, and then we will go to the flash fill, and you now see Excel recognize the flash fill and you can check it easily 3/12/2002, and all other dates you can randomly check. Excel fill it correctly. That's our that's our third step. Our fourth step is the phone number provided in the column E are not in the standard phone number format. In order to include these phone numbers in the mail merge or other professional formats, they need to be formatted using a hyphen. In column F, use a flash fill to convert the string of the numbers in the column E. So we need to use a flash fill in the column E. Include a hyphen in between the 3-digit and the 4 digits. That's like that. So we will go to the column E. Here in the column E, we will type 555, then hyphen 6199. Then we will press enter, and we will type second one 555 and we will press enter. So it's Excel recognize this and he already flash fill this phone number with the hyphen from the column E. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is the customer name on the cust name worksheet were imported with the non-printable characteristic, extra spaces, and inconsistent formula formats. The data needs to be cleaned to appear as a first name, middle name, and the last name on the customer name worksheet. So we will go to the cust name worksheet. That's our cust name worksheet. What we need to do? We need to use the appropriate text function to clean all the non-printing character from the data column in the A. So we will go to the column B. That's our column B. We will put clean formula here. We will start our bracket and we will select the text in the cell E2 and we will press enter. So we have got a text without unprintable material. That's you see. We will copy this formula downside. So we have got our results for our remaining steps. So we have got our data. You see here some arrows are shown, but here in the B column it's not given. So we have cleaned our data in the column A and paste it in the column B. That's our fifth step. And what is he saying? Resize the column as needed to fit the content. So we need to resize the column. That's why I need resize it. Our sixth step is the name should also in the proper case. In the column C, use the appropriate text function to convert the data in the column B into proper case. So we will go to the column C. Here in the column C, we will put proper function. That's our proper function. We will start our bracket and we will select the B2. So our text in the B2 must be in the proper case. So now you see, now it's in proper case. We will copy this formula up to downside up to C26. So we have got our results. And what we need to do, we need to adjust the column width by double clicking this one. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is in the cell D2 use the appropriate text function to remove any extra spaces before or after as well as between the name in the column C. Resize the column as needed in the to fit the content. So we will go to the cell D2. Here in the cell D2 we will use a trim formula. We will start our bracket. We will select the cell C2 and close our bracket and press enter. So you see extra spaces are now removed. We need to copy this formula up to D26. So we have got our results. You see here we have a lot of space before the this one Gantry David, but in the cell D it's not given. Space removed. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is in the column E, use the appropriate text function to return the position of the space character located in the column data column. D, resize the column as needed to fit the constraint. So we will go to the here. We will use here as a find formula. We will select the find text. Then within the text, in the column E, use the appropriate text function to return to position of the space character located in the data in the column D. So we will use within the text. We will close our bracket and press. We have found our result. That's our result. No, we need to use as a is equal to find We'll start our bracket. We will put two inverted commas and a space between, and within the text we will select the cell D2 and we will close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our results like that, 7. We will copy this formula downside to E27, E26. So we have got our results in. So it will count the first name data, first name words before space. He will count the word, each word. That's 7, 6, and like that. That's our 8 step. We have total 19 steps in this assignment. I have performed 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.